Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many database administrators may encounter in their day-to-day tasks. The problem at hand involves updating data in one table based on the information from another table. It's a scenario that requires careful handling to ensure accurate results while minimizing complexity in our SQL queries. In the provided solution, we utilize a CTE common table expression, named T0, to efficiently calculate the total count, pass count, and fail count for each A_ID in Table B. By grouping the data by A_ID and using conditional aggregation functions, we can streamline the process of deriving the required values. Subsequently, we perform an update on TableA by joining it with the result from our CTE T0. This update operation sets the total underscore count, pass underscore count, and fail underscore count in TableA based on the corresponding values calculated in T0. This structured approach ensures a concise and effective solution to the problem statement. To further optimize the workflow and maintain data consistency, consider implementing a view based on the CTE T0. By doing so, you can access the desired aggregated data from Table B through the view whenever required, eliminating the need for manual updates and ensuring real-time insights into your database records. In summary, by leveraging the power of CTEs and efficient SQL update operations, we've successfully addressed the challenge of updating Table A with data derived from Table B. This approach not only simplifies the task at hand, but also enhances the overall maintainability and reliability of your database operations. And remember, a smooth database is a happy database. Subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite SQL pun. Happy coding!